안녕하세요, 지희쌤입니다. 오늘 저와 함께 읽어볼 책은 Don't Push the Button, A Halloween Treat 입니다. 이 책은 먼저 Don't Push the Button 이라는 책을 읽고 난 후에 Don't Push the Button, A Halloween Treat 라는 그림책을 연결해서 읽어주시면 조금 더 좋을 것 같습니다. 그러면 이 책을 재미있게 아이와 함께 즐기기 위해서는 두 가지 포인트를 신경을 써주시면 좋은데요. 첫 번째는 북 커버를 통해서 button, don't push the button의 의미를 아이와 이야기를 나누고 haunted house의 이 몬스터 친구가 굉장히 가기 싫어하는구나에 대한 이유, 왜 이렇게 무서워하고 왜 가기 싫어하는 걸까? 를 북커버를 통해서 아이와 충분히 이야기를 나눈 후에 책을 읽어 나간다면 아이가 조금 더 스토리를 이해하는데 도움을 줄 수 있을 겁니다. 두 번째 포인트는 바로 아이와 밀당을 하면서 책 읽기인데요. 이 레리라는 친구가 이 old house에 가는 걸 굉장히 두려워하고 무서워하고 있지요. 그렇기 때문에 레리를 이 집에 가도록 할까? 말까? 너무 무서워한다. 그럼 가지 말라고 할까? 가라고 하라고? 어떡하지? 이 친구를 위해서 우리가 눌러줘 볼까? 안 돼! 누를까? 말까? 처럼 아이와 밀당을 하면서 이 친구를 이 올드 하우스로 들어가게끔 유도를 하도록 엄마와 밀당을 하면서 책을 읽어 나간다면 뒷장면이 더욱더 아이가 궁금해질 수 있을 겁니다. 그럼 북 커버 읽기 시작해 보도록 하겠습니다. Look at this book cover. Where is a button? Can you find a button? Beep. Is it a button? No, this is a monster, not a button. Where is a button? Beep. Is it a button? No, this is a jack-o'-lantern basket. Where is a button? Can you find something red? Yes, here. Beep. I pushed the button. No, don't push the button. What did the monster say? Don't push the button. Why? Beep, 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 beep. No, no, no. Don't push the button. Why not? I don't know. Okay, let's read the title with me. Don't push the button. A Halloween Treat by Bill Carter. Don't push the button? This monster said like that, right? Wow, it was a title. 그럼 책을 읽어보도록 하겠습니다. Hello, I am Larry. Oh, you're Larry. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. Wow, there are so much candy because it's Halloween. Yoo-hoo! Look at this old house. Oh, that scary house is the only one left, but I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Oh, Larry, you are a monster too. I'm so scared. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Hey, you are a monster. You can go that old house too. No, I'm so scared. Please, please, please don't ring that doorbell. Can you ring the bell? No? Yes? I give you all my candy if we go home right now. I will give you all my candy. Please stop pushing the bell. Really? Can you give me all the candies? Let me see. Sigh. I guess I can't stop
you push the button and say trick or treat.
Beep. Oh, push the button.
Oh, I'm too scared. You peek inside, open the door slowly. Boo!
Look at those eyes. Who are they?
Eek! Monsters! Shout boo to scare them away. Again, louder. Boo! Ooh. That's better. Looks like there's a note.
For Larry. Larry? Who is Larry? That's right. The monster's name is Larry. For you.
Hey, can you cut the string and get it down for me?
댕댕아, can you cut this string for Larry? Okay.
The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Clap twice to turn on the light? Okay. Clap, clap.
Surprise, Larry! Wow, we have an extra special treat for you. Trick or treaters!
Oh boy.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Beep! Happy Halloween! Pshoo! Wow, so much candies! I told you we should trick or treat at this house. Aha! They told to Larry about this party, right? The end.